Dubbed the outdoor enthusiast's electrified dream, the all-new 2026 Subaru Crosstrek proves, yet again, how robust off-road grit, durability, and sleek innovation can coexist. A groundbreaking series parallel hybrid system? It's got that. State-of-the-art safety tech and connectivity features? It checks that box too. It's built for both urban streets and off-road adventures, which is the reason why the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid truly disrupts the auto market. A hybrid that knows no compromise. The all-new 2026 Subaru Crosstrek is equipped with a newly developed 2.5-liter Subaru Boxer 4-banger engine operating on an Atkinson-Miller cycle that pairs along electric motors to raise the total power output to 194 horsepower, the most powerful Crosstrek Subaru has ever made. Also, it represents a significant leap from prior Crosstrek iterations that ran on low horsepower figures, now replaced by a punchier, more responsive performance in everyday driving conditions. So, kudos, Subaru! Of course, being a ground-up motor, the system benefits from an optimized series parallel hybrid system, allowing the vehicle to seamlessly alternate between electric power and gasoline propulsion for a smooth yet assertive power delivery across various driving conditions. Yes, the hybrid tech may have been borrowed from Toyota, but in a better way. The dedicated MG2 traction motor is now larger and more robust than Toyota RAV4's hybrid system. Also, Subaru's inclusion of the tried-and-true symmetrical all-wheel drive does not come as a surprise, further reinforcing its performance credentials. By mechanically routing power to all four wheels, the Crosstrek Hybrid delivers consistent traction and stability, no matter how rugged the road gets. The transmission, meanwhile, gets treated to subtle improvements, so the eCVT has been tailored to complement the hybrid system, offering a smooth, responsive acceleration that feels both deliberate and engaging, unlike some Ford Escape Hybrid. Plus, with the added electric punch, highway maneuvers aren't going to be a problem. While the non-hybrid 182 horsepower gasoline counterparts recorded a lethargic 8-second sprint to 60 miles per hour, we can expect the new hybrid counterparts to improve on that, but may still not set the world on fire by any means. Subaru's off-road mastery. Moving on to the topic of treading off the road, the Crosstrek Hybrid is designed to seamlessly transition from city streets to more challenging terrains. The specs lead with a class-leading 8.7 inches of ground clearance, towering over the Honda CR-V Hybrid's 7.8 inches and the RAV4 Hybrid's 8.1 inches of ground clearance to deliver superior obstacle clearing capability. Tech-wise, Subaru has equipped the Crosstrek Hybrid with standard X mode that acts as a safeguard to maintain stability and control for various settings, including snow and dirt and deep snow and mud. Meanwhile, engage the hill descent control and the Crosstrek Hybrid crawls down 20-degree slopes at a steady pace, something that the RAV4 Hybrid only offers on its pricier adventure trim. A digital cockpit for the modern driver. Internally, the 2026 Crosstrek Hybrid retains its signature blend of functional design and modern digital touches, ensuring it caters to adventure seekers and daily commuters alike. Of course, Subaru's commitment to practicality shines through its durable meets design interior appointments, featuring water-repellent Starlink fabric seats that are engineered to laugh off muddy paw prints, coffee spills, or trailhead dirt. For those who'd like a side of luxury to their seats, the synthetic leather upholstery is there to infuse the cabin with premium comfort. Meanwhile, beyond the steering wheel lies 12.3-inch fully digital gauge cluster, now standard across all hybrid trims. Now it replaces the analog gauges of previous models, offering customizable displays that show real-time hybrid flow, off-road pitch and roll angles, and other efficiency stats that keep you informed at a glance for a more connected drive. At the heart, however, lies an 11.6-inch Starlink touchscreen infotainment system that's been carried over from the previous model year. Moreover, the interface has matured, now featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto that connect instantly, all the while displaying vital information in crisp graphics and rapid response times. Additionally, the new outdoor mode serves up trail maps, live weather updates, and battery status, ensuring you never miss a beat, even in the most remote terrains. Still, the Crosstrek Hybrid isn't far behind when it comes to offering crisp creature comforts, so heated front seats and heated steering wheel make frosty mornings more bearable, while the dual-zone automatic climate control system ensures all occupants stay ideal in their ideal temperature zones. Meanwhile, chrome-trimmed interior door handles and power window switches offer a touch of sophistication to an otherwise durable cabin aesthetic. Also, the powered moonroof should be available higher up the trim levels, inviting natural light to brighten the cabin. Pair that with the available Harman Kardon premium sound system, and every rush hour traffic begins sounding less tiring. Luckily, color options have been expanded too, introducing terracotta brown and deep moss green accents, warm earth tones that evoke national park landscapes. For the rear passengers, 2 USB-C ports have been added, a thoughtful upgrade over the outgoing model's slower and dated USB-A ports. While we are on practicality, also worth mentioning is the Crosstrek's user-centric, thought-after cabin that ensures generous passenger room and flexible cargo solutions. Quite impressive for a hybrid crossover that makes packing for a road trip as easy as packing a lunchbox. However, Subaru's obsession with practicality doesn't just end there, so the center console provides ample storage, while features like tilt and telescoping steering columns and keyless entry only enhance the overall convenience. Pop open the boot, and you'll find a surprisingly generous cargo area, enough to stow away all your adventure gear and groceries. With 18.6 cubic feet of boot space, the Crosstrek Hybrid ensures that the practical utility remains intact, striking exterior styling and exclusive options. Externally, the 2026 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid is a continuation of the adventurous spirit that has become synonymous with the Crosstrek lineup, while introducing subtle refinements and exclusive touches that signal its hybrid identity. It rides on the third-generation Crosstrek platform, sharing the same bold, outdoor-ready design language as its gasoline siblings, now with a hint of unique elements that distinguish its eco-friendly ethos. So the iconic Crosstrek silhouette is retained, further characterized by a raised ride height, flared wheel arches, and robust body cladding, including durable plastic cladding enforced on the lower body, ensuring your Crosstrek can take a beating from Mother Nature and still look gram-worthy. Of course, the class-leading 8.7-inch ground clearance ensures it remains a standout in off-road capability, surpassing even bigger SUVs. Speaking of off-road capabilities, the hybrid's dimensions mirror the gasoline variants, helping preserve its agile handling and trail-friendly approach and departure angles. New to the 2026 hybrid variants, however, are 2 new exterior finishes, allowing drivers to make a bold statement on and off the road. These include the Sand Dune Pearl, a muted earthy tone, and the Citron Yellow Pearl, a vibrant hue that's inspired by adventure gear. Meanwhile, pairing these paint schemes are 18-inch dark gray alloy wheels, showcasing an eye-catchy split-spoke design for a perfect blend of ruggedness and modernity. The Crosstrek's assertive nose up front maintains the distinctive hexagonal grille, now framed by gloss black accents for a subtle, minimalist appeal. Still flanking it are standard LED steering responsive headlights with auto high beams. Meanwhile, further application of black plastic cladding can be noticed on the bumper, reinforcing its tough, adventure-ready character and offering protection against scratches and dents during off-road excursions. At the top, the Crosstrek integrates roof rails, providing additional utility for carrying cargo or mounting accessories for the outdoorsy people. At the back, though, sleek LED taillights and a roof spoiler make things both striking and purposeful. Meanwhile, the rear bumper features a unique diffuser-like hard plastic element, helping maintain the Crosstrek's utilitarian appeal. Advanced safety with next-gen eyesight technology. With the new 2026 Crosstrek Hybrid, Subaru's reputation for safety shines brighter than ever as a multi-layered suite of technologies work tirelessly behind the scenes to prevent collisions and keep occupants cocooned in confidence. At the core of its protective ethos is Subaru's Eyesight Driver Assist technology, which has now been made standard across all trims. Part of the package includes radars and cameras that power ADAS features like adaptive cruise control, a feature that maintains speed and actively adjust to traffic flow, even in stop-and-go conditions. Moreover, the pre-collision braking system ensures the Crosstrek Hybrid is brought to a complete halt if it detects an imminent collision, whereas new for the 2026 model year is advanced automatic emergency steering, a feature that gently tugs the wheel to avoid obstacles. Still, the Crosstrek is just as safe in preventing distractions as it is in surviving your chaotic daily commute, so features like driver-focused distraction mitigation utilize infrared sensors and facial facial recognition to monitor the driver's eyes and head positions, detecting drowsiness and issuing alerts through chimes, dashboard warnings, or by tightening the seatbelt. Of course, it goes a step further by fully stopping the vehicle, putting on the hazards, and unlocking the door before contacting Subaru Starlink services for emergency services like a vigilant co-pilot, ensuring you stay engaged and awake on the go. To facilitate parking and compensate for blind spots, features like Rear Cross Traffic Alert (RCTA) and Lane Departure and Keeping Assist ensure your blind spots don't become someone else's problem, whereas things like reverse automatic braking detect obstacles in the vehicle's path and apply the brakes automatically to mitigate the risk of collision, something that turns whoops into no big deal. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.